Well, good afternoon, everyone. It's Luke here over at Pine Acres RV in Moncton. Today, I am super excited to show you our 2021 RiverStone Reserve that just arrived. This is model number 3950 FWK. This is a front kitchen. I apologize for the noise behind me. We got a few motorhomes on the go. That one's running. If you are looking for motorhomes, diesel pushers, this is the place to go. All right, next up. Concentrate, Luke, concentrate. Here we go. Road Armor suspension. Look at the storage back here. Fantastic. Yep, and this is more storage. This is a tray. Heavy duty, just like a diesel pusher. Look at that. That's great. More storage right here. Another slide. Love what they did here. 6-way stabilizer or hydraulic jacks, automatic leveling. A place to put 2 batteries in there. It is generator prepped, so you can put a generator in there if you choose to put one in. Okay, first door over here. 2 propane tanks. They will be filled. More storage. Central vac connection. Those are solid steps, and they are spring loaded, so when you put them in, it's nice and easy. And we even have a keyless touchpad entry right here. Go take a look inside. But just before we go inside, check out these power awnings. It goes from one end all the way to the other. We got LED lights and frameless windows. Let's go in. Holy crackamoly. All right, that turns into a bed. That turns into a bed. Fireplace that throws out heat. JBL sound system. That's got to be a 70-inch TV. We have daytime and nighttime shades. Theater seats, dual theater seats. These are made by Allure. That's power operated. There's the central vac right there. Let's go check out this kitchen. Amazing. This fridge has a heist maker. Residential style stove, oven. Beautiful Samsung microwave. Automotive style front windshield. Love it. Look at the LED light even down low. More counter space. Oof, that's deep. Oh, when they pull out, that's great. Look at the woodwork in here. Beautiful. Absolutely exquisite. Bathroom up next. Take a look at this barn style door. That is a ceramic toilet. Again, LED accent lighting. We get a power fan and the skylight. Nothing but the best. Look at the nice little seat right here. That's great. Beautiful, beautiful shower. Okay, next up, there's a bathroom here. It's going to be the master bedroom. Nice tall ceilings. Look at the storage area. Lots of cupboards there. Dresser, TV. Again, with the nighttime and daytime shades. Even right here in the slide, so you can open up those windows. And great ventilation, crosswind ventilation. The Cadet Heater. You got your USB plugs right there. Power outlet for CPAP machine if you're using one. Take a look at this closet. More storage. Lots of stuff lots of places to hang your stuff up. There's the hose for the central vac. And behind this door, again, a huge closet. Or if you want to put a washer and dryer in here, you can. RiverStone. Holy moly. What a beautiful, beautiful trailer. Definitely a home away from home. And pure luxury. Only at Pine Acres RV in Moncton. Come on down and see us. If you like what you see, please give us a call at 388-5751, or you can send us a text, email, and we can even do FaceTime with you if you want to see more.